here to teach you how to make your own GIF. And it's really helpful if you can't find one that you want to use in your Bitmoji rooms or wherever you want one at. So first thing you want to do is go and find this download. It's called Gyazo, Gyazo GIF. And so once you have that downloaded, you go and find the video that you want, and you click on this Gyazo, and you highlight what parts of your screen you want to make into a GIF. And it's recording right now. So all the stuff in this little screen is going to be part of my GIF. And then it does a little 7-second snippet. And then it pops up this window right here. And here's how you get it. You can download as a GIF. I like to do copy the direct link with the GIF. Copy. Okay, it's copied right there. And let me open Google Slides real fast so you can see what that looks like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go Insert, Image by URL, and paste that link in. And push Insert. And there it is. So it's a really fun way that you can connect your videos and your slides so they know what they're about to watch. Okay, I hope this is helpful. See you next time.